Don't ask me how, but I got them. Yeah, the 350 V2 Ash Blue. Make sure you guys hit and smack that like and subscribe button for your boy. Perfect. Hey, what's up? Romeo the Retro got back with another review for your neck piece, and on today's episode, as you can tell, I done picked up these hoes for you guys to review. We got the Yeezy 350 V2 Ash Blue. Let's hit the turntable. Ash blue. It's pretty simple. Let's take a look at what we got inside here. All right, so the Yeezy Boost. Let's take a look at what we got here, man, because I mean, these Yeezys always so hyped up, always quick to go off the shelf. Can't ever get a pair, you know what I'm saying? They're one of the hardest things to find, period. Hardest things to get your hand on. If you basically don't hit on the app right away, you're screwed. Anyways, let's take a look at this prime knit upper, man. I mean, you know, that's one thing about the Yeezys. They're known for super comfort, and if you look at the prime knit, it's actually really, you know, it's soft as hell. Really stretchy, really pliable, and it's very breathable as well. The texture actually changes depending on where you are in the shoe. You know, let's give it a booty squeeze test real quick. You know what I'm saying? We squeeze the booty and we notice that it's a little bit more firm on the heel section, and obviously that's just to give you a little bit of stability. There's no actual like shanks in the shoe. There's no support systems in the shoe other than the actual knit itself. The heel section has a little bit of an extra padding in there, and that's the only thing that's going to give you a little bit of more structure to the shoe. So the knit's actually a little bit more concrete in the back, but as we move up the shoe, it's a little bit more soft for flexibility in the ankle section, and as we lead up the shoe, it gets a little bit more tough towards the toe box area, and I don't even know if you can call it a toe box. It's all prime knit. But anyways, yeah, man, this semi-translucent icy blue sole is pretty cool. That's the basis of the shoe, is this kind of like icy pattern, and it reminds me a lot of like a milky outsole, banana orange stripe, this like buttercream stripe that goes through the blue upper. It's like a bluish gray upper, I'd say, and the laces themselves are also kind of like a grayish blue color with a blue tinge to it. These Yeezys are basically one piece of fabric that's split up the center, and as you can see here, it's divided right up the center piece, and you have all these different fabric patterns, which I always thought was pretty cool. People hate on them, and I used to hate on them too before I actually had a pair or put a pair on foot, but really once you put a pair on, that's it. Like, you're hooked because they're super comfortable. Even me, I didn't know what I was listening until my friend Lewis actually let me try on a pair of Yeezys, and I found out that they are super comfortable. This is the Boost, and these, you know, these Boost pods are super soft, man. They're really tacky, and like traction patterns also very stable. It's not like something that I'd be playing basketball in, but damn, like if I'm gonna leave the house in something and like you're a fan of slippers, these are the ultimate shoe slippers. Now the resale on these are obviously crazy, and I can't, you know, I can barely get over it myself how much these actually go for when you put them up. But dog, I mean, they're super comfortable, and I understand why. It's like, man, if you never had a pair of Yeezys, you got to get you a pair and just see for yourself. Right on the inner part of the heel section here, you have the 3 stripes. You already know what those stand for. Insole has the Adidas Yeezy print on the inside with that kind of like fabric sweater looking insole. It's actually kind of textured. It's weird. It's a bit weird. It almost gives like a weird kind of like a hologrammy kind of feel to it, but definitely a textured insole. You know what I mean? You have your tag on the inside. You know, I have the original tags on because, really, to tell you the truth, I don't think I'm keeping these. In my opinion, I don't even know why Yeezys are so expensive, man. Yeezy himself said that these shouldn't even cost that much because really it don't make no sense. So I gotta say, man, I mean, Yeezy been putting it down for a number of years now. We all know what these are about, man. 350's been out for a long time. It seems like just yesterday Yeezy brand threw out these 350s and everybody sort of went nuts for them now. Why? It's obviously because of the Boost technology. Yeezy is one of the absolute most comfy sneakers you can buy, and especially at the time, there wasn't much like it out on the market, man. So the reason people like this colorway specifically is because it's not an earth tone, and all these Yeezys have been coming out in earth tone colors, and it's like, who the hell wears that much brown, man? I don't wear that much brown and cream and taupe and all these different weird colors that he's coming out with. So this is a nice change of pace. Only way I was copping these is simply because I hit on the raffle, and that's like the only reason. Other than that, I wouldn't even have these to review for you guys. So I'm pretty lucky, because I mean, Adidas raffle is actually amazing, man. I love their app. I love their website. They did a good job with their app because I had no problems with the raffle. Foot Locker is a whole different story, but I'll get into that on another video. I think that these are the best type of shoes or slippers to like just throw on if you're heading out of the house for 2 seconds. You don't want to get them grails dirty. If you guys own a pair of Yeezy, let me know in the comment section, and let me know if you guys think this is one of the best colorways that came out, because we do know that people are sick of Kanye's earth tone colors and stuff like that. They've been saying the Yeezys just had too much earth tone on them. So now I think the only right thing to do is to do a comparison between fake Yeezys and real Yeezys, and I'll probably do that in another video. But simply because, man, the replica Yeezys are getting crazy, and I ain't a replica guy, but when you're talking about paying Yeezy numbers, like, there's no reason that a shoe like this should cost the amount it does. It's a slipper. I don't care how much a boost is in it, you know what I'm saying? There's cheaper shoes with more boost in it than these Yeezys, so it's pretty much all brand name hype behind these, and hype beasts that's making these expensive, you know what I'm saying? Even Yeezy himself said these shouldn't cost as much as they do, so that should tell you something. You know me, I'm a detail guy. I'm a 90s retro guy, so it gotta have a crazy wicked design, otherwise I ain't impressed. And these are plain Jane, you know what I'm saying? These look like something that Walmart could have produced minus the boost. Man, I swear to God, I got a banger coming up next, so make sure you guys watch my next video, because you're not gonna be disappointed. Give that subscribe and like button on Defaz for your boy, you know what I'm saying?